Today, an American tries an Indian food chef's recipe for Chinese food. If that ain't fusion, I don't know what is. Stay tuned. Hey kids, JD here. Today we're trying egg drop soup. If you've been to a Chinese restaurant in America, you've probably had it before. So let's give this guy's soup a try, see what happens. Before we do, go ahead, hit the subscribe button, hit me up on social media. Let's go. For this recipe, you will need 1/2 cup each of red bell pepper, potato, onion, and carrot, 3 cups of water, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of butter. Now, the recipe calls for you to cook this for 5 minutes. However, with the amount of ingredients, even on high, this did not cook in 5 minutes. So what I did is I waited until the pot started whistling. When that's done, add 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, 2 teaspoons of pepper, and 1 egg, well whisked. You'll want to make sure that your temperatures are higher because when you put the egg in, you want it to cook. If it's a lower temperature, you might run the risk of food contamination. So don't do that. Get that temperature up. All right, that's it. Let's try it, see how it turned out. Over to you, JD. Okay, one thing before we get started here, very important. You need to watch the reaction because the recipe did not turn out quite the way that I thought it would. So make sure that you watch all the way to the end. Thanks. Let's go. I don't know if you can see this or not, but there it is. So the only thing left to do is to try it. Let's see what happens. My initial impression is that there's just too much pepper in this. And it's just overpowering all the other flavors. So I've gone in on this second bowl a little bit, and it seems as though maybe some of the pepper settled to the bottom of the pot. You know, I'm getting more of the actual flavors. So here's what my recommendation is going to be. Do everything up until the pepper. You're not cooking it with the meal, you're putting it in afterwards. So just add to taste. You don't have to put 2 teaspoons in there. Just put it in and add it until you like the balance of flavors. Not real hard to do, is it? Yeah, I'm definitely getting way more of the onions, the peppers, maybe I don't have quite as much potato in this round, but egg. So I think the key is just pepper it on your own and you'll be fine. So that's it for today's video. If you like this video, hit that thumbs up, hit that subscribe, catch me up on social media. I put out videos usually every Thursday and Friday, or at least every Friday. So I'm JD, and I'm out.